Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Narrations by Namrata. So today we'll be painting a beautiful night sky and a silhouette of an aeroplane and power lines. These are all the materials required for the painting. So let's get started. I'll be using a flat brush, taking in blue and mixing it with a bit of white for creating a light blue shade. I will add a tiny bit of red into it for making the shade for the sky. In order to show a gradient in the sky, I'll be mixing white. Can you see the upper portion of the sky is darker in color than the lower portion? Next, in order to create clouds, I will be moving my brush from left to right. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video if you liked it. Creating clouds using a flat brush is so easy. Next, I will be creating mountains which are far away from us, so there is no need of detailing. I am using Prussian blue here. You can take any shade of blue which is darker. It already looks so beautiful. Next, I will be taking a round brush and black. We will move on to creating a beautiful silhouette for an aeroplane. If you are not confident by directly painting with a black paint, you can use a pencil and draw outlines. Go slow here as this is the most important step of our painting. Each detail in the aeroplane will make the aeroplane stand out. Make corrections if you want. Next, in order to show red light, I will take a pointed pen which is empty. You have to dip the tip into red paint and tap on the aeroplane wherever you want red lights. Next, I'll be painting stars and the moon. If you don't have a white gel pen, you can use white acrylics. I will de-tape it. And now the most creative part. You have to take a permanent CD marker which is black in shade to paint the power lines. You have to be careful. You can use a scale if required. It's okay if the wires are not straight. You have to draw it freehand. If you don't have a permanent marker, you can use a tiny brush or a detailing brush and black acrylic paints. Can you see it is already looking so beautiful? Draw wires which are hanging. It's ready. A close-up. Thank you for watching.